Designers use emphasis to guide the viewer's attention to a part of a composition by creating contrasting elements. Let's begin with a design made of one repeated shape in columns and rows. What we have is a pattern in which one shape is not noticeably different from any other. The design has no emphasis, but what happens when one of these shapes becomes lighter than the others? This value contrast places emphasis on the lighter shape and directs the viewer to notice it first. We can also create emphasis with color contrast. Here the red has the most visual weight in the image because red is so different than the cooler, less saturated blue and green colors. Texture works as well. The shape with the rough edges stands apart as different than the rest. Contrast of shape works also. The star stands out. Even contrast of scale seems to create emphasis. Next, we will look at a design that is more complex. If our image is made up of diverse shapes with multiple colors, can we still perceive emphasis? The answer is yes. The part of the composition with the most contrast will be emphasized, and at times a compelling design can have more than one area of emphasis. In this design, the large white, roughly hewn rectangle seems to have the most visual weight, closely followed by the area of red circles. This design guides the viewer to look at the image in a certain order: focal point 1 and then focal point 2. We call this visual hierarchy. It is important to understand emphasis because it allows designers to control how the viewer reads their images.